Oh Lord, that looks angry. Hello, heaven. Hey, this is Brad. Look at him. I'm in the middle of a storm. I'm telling you, I believe Annie M and them just floated by. There's a hurricane alarm going on. You know, the alarm sound like a train coming. I know, right? I do not want to be on the evening news talking about a train coming through. It sounded just like a train. Anyway, if you could tell the weather room to shift that tornado around, do not let it happen over in the McChesney Park area. I appreciate it. Okay, I love y'all. Thank you. Bye.